Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your train appear again in the other portal. So basically, I'm going to search for this portal. So this is not how. So I mean, sorry, I can't explain everything. So yeah. So just like that, and then right. Come on, get on. This one. So here, I don't know why it's always like sideways. So the best thing to do, I have to do is just rotate. And so before that, to make your engines reappear to the other one again, so I will just name this as wait. So I'll call this boy one, and then in here boy 2. So here, so we will do boy 2. So to make your train go back, so this is how. So train returns. So I'll just do 1 minute because it's gonna be boring. So click this one. Train returns through alternate portal, and then type the one that you have. So here, boy 1. And now my example for this is gonna be Thomas. I'm just gonna add, guys. See you later. Okay guys, so now I'm done. So before we start this, I just want to say that, you know, the one that you download some routes from other websites and you play Trainz Driver 2 and Trainz Driver. You know, the portal, they keep on disappearing like that. I don't like that. So I will send you the footage of it. Now you see, guys. So let's get started. Here comes going through the portal. Bye bye. Okay, now, so guys, since he's gone, he will appear in this portal. So we will just wait for 1 minute. I'm gonna pause the video until he appears. Okay, guys, he's there. He's there in the portal. See, guys, it works. he appeared again. Believe in me. See guys, it worked. He's back again. But he will stop in. He will stop in the portal. See? Here he is. So here. So now we'll get him out. And now, here's the moment of truth. So now you see guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe. Bye guys.